Hi, and a very warm welcome to today's gentle standing flow. My name is Gaia, and what we are doing here is a very nice, short, but so grounding and so soothing practice that is based in Hatha yoga, and all of the poses are going to be standing up. So, this is perfect if this is something you prefer or perhaps feel like you need right now. This is an all levels practice, no props are required, and we will begin at the top of the mat in Tadasana mountain pose. So plant your feet under your hips, spread the toes and place them on your mat. Lengthen through your spine, through the crown of the head, and shine the palms forward. The shoulders are moving away from your ears. You're very gently shining your chest forward, and maybe you can tuck your chin in just a bit to promote that nice flow of energy through your entire body. And as we stand here, just notice your breath. You can close your eyes if that works for you, or have them softly gazing at a point somewhere ahead. And as you notice your breath, don't try to change anything about it. Simply notice, is it more in your chest, in your belly? Are the breaths deep or shallow, fast or long? Just notice and accept what is going on in this moment. There is no judgment here, no right or wrong. This is simply your authentic state in which you are entering this practice. And now gently begin to shift that breath deeper into your belly. Really letting the belly get big on the inhale and feel everything loosen on the exhale. Take 3 more breaths like that in your own time. And when you're ready, gently sweep the arms up overhead. Look up and then grab a hold of your left wrist with the right fingers and gently lean over to your right. Staying here for 3 breaths. On your next inhale, see if you can lengthen a bit more, really stretching through the side body. And on the exhale, return. Bring your palms together, gaze up, taking a breath here. And then grab a hold of your right wrist with your left fingers. Inhale to lengthen and exhale, bend over onto your left. And we're staying here for 3 breaths. Really see if you can breathe into your right side body. On that last inhale, see if you can stretch some more. And on the exhale, Return to center, palms together, gaze up, maybe moving into a gentle back bend if that feels good to you. If not, simply remain standing straight. And then palms at the heart, Anjali Mudra. Take a moment to arrive here. And we're going to step our right leg back into Warrior Two. So the back leg is at a 90-degree angle, parallel to the short edge of your mat. We're bending into the front knee, really trying to keep that knee over our ankle. And then arms stretch out, gaze forward. Really finding strength and stability through your legs here. Rooting down into the earth through your feet. Breathing, calming ourselves. And then right arm goes down onto that back leg, left arm lifts, reverse warrior. Nice little bend here. On the exhale, return back to your warrior two. Straighten that front leg. Bring your arms to your hips and pivot the front foot so that it is also parallel to the short edge of your mat. We're going to forward fold from here. Inhale to lengthen and exhale, hinge at the hips, going as much down as feels good. You can bring your fingertips down onto the floor. Just breathing here. No need to force yourself further than your body is ready, but more so letting gravity take care of everything. And then halfway lift, flat back. Place your hands back onto your hips if that is available to you. And with a strong core and strong rooting through your feet, lift yourself up. Pivot now what used to be your back leg, so the right leg. We're going to move into Warrior Two on the other side. Bend into that front knee. If you need to adjust your stance a bit, you absolutely can. And then arms stretch out, gaze forward. Again, rooting through your feet. We're being very grounded here, very stable. Breathing in our Warrior Two. And then left arm comes down onto the back leg. Right arm rises overhead, reverse warrior. Sink for another breath. And come back into your Warrior Two. Again, straighten that front leg. Pivot the foot. Bring the arms onto your hips. We're going to forward fold once more here. Lengthening on the inhale and on the exhale, hinging from the hips, first with a flat back, then allowing our back to naturally round. You can bring the fingertips down onto the floor if that suits you. Now just walk your fingertips over closer to your left leg. And then gently walk them over towards your right. And then move a little further, pivot the front foot, pivot the back foot so that they are in tracks now. They are parallel to the long edge of the mat. Lower down into your low lunge. You can keep the toes tucked or untucked. I know I said this is a standing flow, but a low lunge kind of fits the bill here. Just really lengthening here in the low lunge, letting the hips move down, but the low back and the core are moving up. So it's almost as if you're being pulled in two directions. Just going to bring our arms down for this to make the transition easier. Low lunge on the other side. Again, you can tuck your toes if that feels better. You can bring your arms to rest on the thigh. And again, imagine two forces moving through you. Your hips are moving down, but with the core engagement and keeping your low back very straight, the top of the body is actually moving up. And bring your palms down onto the mat. Step the back foot forward and forward fold. Halfway lift, flat back, and fold. Two more breaths here. You can keep a bend in your knees. Do what works best for your body here. And on your next in-breath, begin to roll up slowly, vertebra by vertebra, rolling all the way up, back into Tadasana, mountain pose. This is also where we will end our practice. So settle into your Tadasana, into mountain pose. Really root down into the earth. Empty your mind. Let your lungs and belly fill with air. And allow your body to integrate this practice. Bring your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. And thank yourself for coming onto your mat today, for giving yourself love, kindness, and nourishment. With gratitude for getting to experience another day, another breath, another moment with yourself. Thank you.